Hi, I'm Kathy with Level Up RN, and I am so excited to share some of the key features of our psychiatric mental health nursing flashcards and why they are the best flashcards for nursing students as well as practicing nurses. Our psychiatric mental health nursing flashcards come in a durable, high quality box. And if you open the box, you can easily see and access the flashcards. We deliberately leave a little wiggle room here so that you can thumb through the cards and find just the card you are looking for. Our cards are thick and durable. The front of the cards are glossy and the back of the cards are matte so that you can take notes or highlight information as needed. And then the corners of all of the flashcards are nice and rounded. Our psychiatric mental health nursing flashcards are broken into three sections: principles, therapies, and disorders. So within the principles section, you can find flashcards on topics such as legal considerations, therapeutic communication, defense mechanisms, and more. In the therapy section, we cover non-pharmacological therapies as well as medications used for mental health disorders. And then in the disorders section of this deck, we go over mental health disorders such as anxiety, depression, bipolar disorder, schizophrenia, as well as substance use disorders, and many more. And then at the back of the deck, you can find an index so you can look up a disorder or topic and quickly go to that card. And then we've also included our Level Up RN learning system so that you have the option of organizing your cards based on how familiar you are with the information. Our flashcards have a number of different features that make it easier for you to learn the key concepts and facts you need to know in nursing school and in your practice. Our flashcards are laid out in a logical, easy to understand way. We limit the information we include on each card to just the most important facts. We basically take out all of the fluff so you can focus on what matters most. Next to the light bulb icon here at the top, you can find a definition of a term or a disorder later in the deck. And then throughout the deck, you'll see our little cool chicken icon pop up. Whenever you see this cute little guy, he is pointing out a funny or helpful way to remember key information. When you see the key point icon, this is highlighting an important fact or concept that you definitely need to know. And then you'll notice that some of the words on the card are bold and red. This means that those facts are especially important to know and are highly tested on in nursing school. So if you are in a time crunch studying for your nursing exam, you definitely want to focus on those items first. Another amazing thing about our Level Up RN flashcards is that you can follow along with our psychiatric mental health nursing video playlist while studying your cards. So these videos are available on YouTube for free or as part of our Level Up RN membership site where you can watch them without ads. So if you are an auditory or visual learner, this can be really helpful. And honestly, the combination of our flashcards and our videos has helped so many students be really successful in their nursing school class and on their exams. You will encounter mental health disorders in all areas of nursing practice. So the information in this deck is relevant to any nursing student or practicing nurse. Okay, I hope this video has been helpful and I hope you love this deck as much as we do. Take care and happy studying. I invite you to subscribe to our channel and share a link with your classmates and friends in nursing school. If you found value in this video, be sure to hit the like button and leave us a comment and let us know what you found particularly helpful.